I'm so excited. Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Carrie. I'm so very fly. Oh my. It's a tad bit scary. Today's video, we are going to be doing a quick perfume unboxing and review for the one, the only, R.E.M. The only kind of sleep we're looking for. Okay. You guys know I absolutely love Ariana Grande. She's one of my two queens, the other being about her. Ariana Grande just released her R.E.M. perfume, and I know I'm not the first person to do a review, but I'm really excited about this because I have never purchased any of her perfumes. I've always liked trying them out at Ulta, but I just never got them. So I'm really excited about this because I wanted to get myself a new fragrance anyways for the fall, and then when I heard that this was coming out, I absolutely waited and I bought it the first day. So it finally came in the mail and I'm ready to show you guys. Just for reference, I got the largest size that you can get, which is a 3.4 ounce bottle for $65, which is a great deal if you are not into buying fragrances often. But I'm just gonna go ahead, I haven't opened this at all. We're gonna unwrap this box and we're gonna get into everything from the packaging to the scent notes, everything you want to know. But before I get into everything, as always, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and hit the post notification bell, that way you never miss when I upload a new video. And feel free to follow me on my social media handles at glamanisto8, pretty much everywhere, that way you can see behind the scenes content and other glam and ratchet parts of my life. Alright, let's get into this fragrance. Okay, so I know the box is gonna be hard to see because of my ring light already, so apologies there. This box is beautiful. It is a huge box, and on the front it just says the name Ariana Grande R.E.M, and it's pink, and then it has the galaxy print. I just love the little graphics for this. I think this is so cute. So we open up the fragrance, and this bottle is everything. I really like perfume bottles that don't look like a stereotypical perfume, like a basic one. So I love the fact that this is also an untraditional perfume bottle. This is the actual bottle, but it comes in like this crystallized holder that fits the theme, and it's super cute. I think this is a genius, and it's nice because it'll just look really cute on your vanity. So let's get into this. I'm actually going to look up the description of this just to see how it is described. It says, an intergalactic dream of femininity and power. R.E.M. draws you in with a cosmic blend of juicy fig and warm salted caramel. Ooh, very fall. Lavender essence. You guys know how much I love lavender. This is my favorite scent of all time. Okay, so I'm already excited. Lavender essence takes you to dreamy new heights with sparkling pear blossom, explodes like a supernova in the night sky. Intoxicating musk wrapped with sandalwood creates the perfect ending to your unforgettable journey. So it says it's in the floral family, but it's still woodsy. Interesting. So it's like light, but not light at the same time. We're about to see. So again, this is just the bottle. It just has Ariana Grande on it. It doesn't have R.E.M. I love the font. I'm living for it. Futuristic. So let's see. Guys, I'm so nervous. Okay, here we go. Here we go. This honestly might be my new go-to fragrance. The description definitely applies to this fragrance perfectly. It smells very feminine. Like it has hints of her other scents that I've smelled. It kind of smells like that original Ari scent, but then with a mixture, a little tiny hint, like a Salt Bay hint of Thank You Next. It is like the perfect mixture between being feminine, but being kind of like powerful, like heavy, woodsy. It's sweet but not too sweet, and the floral I think is very clever because there's a little hint of it, but it's not too floral. And I think I'm going to appreciate this because floral fragrances tend to sit on my skin and work with my chemistry a lot better than others. But I really do love a woodsy fragrance, and it's really hard for me to find ones that sit well with me. But this, alright Ariana, you done did something. Okay. This smells so good. Like, I definitely would 10 out of 10 recommend this, but I would definitely recommend this especially if you are either in the warmer months, or the colder months and dressing warmer in layers, or going out somewhere. This isn't like a light summery scent at all. Like if you like citrusy type of things, you're not going to like this, but it smells so good and it's peaceful. I feel luxurious. But the one thing that I will say is that I do like the packaging. I am not like knocking it at all, but I kind of like the look of it just better in this, to be honest. I just think it looks a lot cooler. That's just so cute. I can't really set it on my shoe shelf, but if I had room, look at that. That's adorable. So yeah, this was my short video for you guys today, just to give you a quick update and review on the new Ariana Grande fragrance. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was short. If you clicked on this video because you are an Arianator, or if you're just into this girly glam aesthetic, make sure to also click the subscribe button while you're here. And with all that being said, I will see you guys next time.